All right, so I'm replacing the donut on the exhaust or flange gasket. This is what the old one looked like. Okay, so let's go down here. Put a new one in. So the new one is up there now. Just need to tighten up the flex bolts. So I'm gonna have to use two hands here and find out the torque spec on this, and then on the exhaust manifolds gasket up there, I'm gonna tighten the bolts. I think there's like 6 bolts up there. I'm gonna tighten up the bolts and then pressurize the system again, and with a blower with soap and water, spray on this gasket and stuff and see what's the result. 99% this will seal, but up there I just gonna torque the bolts, or the nuts I mean, and see if it fixes the problem.